Hey yo, what is up people? Hope you guys are having a great day, and in this video I'm gonna be teaching you guys how you guys can fix your Snapchat story not working or sending. Not working or sending. This is like typically the same stuff, so you guys can follow these steps if you guys are facing like either one of this problem. So yeah, before I show you the steps, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on so you guys can get notified once our new video releases. And yeah, watch this video until the end without skipping, because if you skip then you guys might get confused on how you guys can fix this problem. So without any further ado, let's start the video. So to fix your Snapchat story not working problem, the first reason behind this could be because of your slow internet connection. Make sure to check your internet speed and make sure it is, at least above 5 MB. If it is less than 5 MB per second, then yeah, it's basically an internet connection problem. So make sure to get a stable internet connection. And like even after getting a stable internet connection, if it still doesn't work for you, then what you guys can do is like just go to Play Store and check if there's any update for Snapchat. So this problem might be, caused by some bug, and updating your Snapchat could be the best way to fix this problem. So basically go on your Play Store and check if Snapchat has any update. So mine's up to date since there's an open button over here, but if there is an update button instead of open, that means your Snapchat is not up to date and you need to update it. So keep that in mind. And after updating your Snapchat, if you still have this problem, what you can do is clear the cache of Snapchat. So how we are going to do that is like basically click on your Bitmoji over here, click on this gear icon. Once you click on the gear icon, you can scroll down until you see clear cache over here, which is on account action. You can click on clear cache and you can click on continue. Wait for some time until the cache is cleared. So this is basically going to refresh, Snapchat, and this should hopefully fix your problem. And if it still doesn't fixes your problem, the last option is to delete Snapchat and reinstall it again, because if it is caused by some kind of corrupted file, then that's the easiest way to do it. So yeah, these are the method on how you guys can fix your Snapchat story not working or sending. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on so you guys can get notified once our new video releases. And if you guys have any question related with this video, you can ask us in the comment, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace out. Have a nice day.